Panasonic and Nikon. Let's capture the world and pictures come on. Photo and adventure, with dreams awaken. With every shot we take, from photography to videography, this is where our creative symphony begins. With every click, with every frame, we tell stories that stay in the memory. From lessons to portraits, our passion is evident in every image that is created. Every detail we like, with every brand that accompanies us, our passion is spread. Photo and adventure, our dreams awaken. With every shot we take, from photography to videography, this is where our creative symphony begins. With every click, with every frame, we tell stories that stay in the memory. From lessons to portraits, our passion is evident in every image that is created. Stories we unfold with Sony, Leica, Panasonic and Nikon. Let's tell the world, come on. With every click, with every frame, we tell stories that stay in the memory. From lenses to portraits, our passion is evident in every image that is created. Tell stories that stay in the memory. From lenses to portraits, our passion is evident in every image that is created. Learn every picture, in every frame, lives our passion on one name. Photo and adventure, that's our game. With every camera, our goal.